OneLake is the unified data lake from Microsoft Fabric, leveraging the Delta Lake table format to support ACID transactions and data versioning. It uses the Parquet file format for storage, optimized at write time using vOrder to improve query performance. The data is stored in Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, which is built on top of scalable object storage. Object storage is a cloud-native architecture designed to store large volumes of data with high scalability and durability. Unlike file or block storage, it stores data as self-contained objects, each with its content, metadata, and a unique identifier. Using a flat namespace, it simplifies data access and management at scale. Common examples include Amazon S3, Azure Blob Storage, and Google Cloud Storage, which are core to modern cloud and data lake architectures. ADLS Gen 2 Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 is Microsoft's enterprise-grade data lake, built on top of Azure Blob Storage to handle large-scale analytical workloads. It introduces key features like a hierarchical namespace for directory-like structure and efficient file operations, and POSIX-compliant ACLs for fine-grained access control. Optimized for performance, ADLS Gen 2 integrates seamlessly with big data tools such as Apache Spark, Hadoop, and Azure Synapse, making it a core component of Azure's data lakehouse and analytics ecosystem. Parquet. Parquet is an open-source columnar storage format, optimized for analytics and big data processing. By storing data in columns and row groups, it enables fast, efficient queries by reading only the necessary data. It supports powerful compression and metadata features, allowing engines like Spark, Hive, and Azure Synapse to skip irrelevant data. Thanks to its performance and storage efficiency, Parquet is a standard choice for modern data lakes and lakehouses. vOrder optimization. vOrder is a write-time optimization for Parquet files in Microsoft Fabric that significantly improves read performance, especially for Power BI, SQL, and Spark. By applying advanced sorting, encoding, and compression, it reduces resource usage and speeds up queries, delivering up to 50% faster reads and 50% better compression. Though it slightly increases write time, 15% monic, it remains 100% Parquet compatible and works seamlessly with Delta Lake features like zOrder and time travel. Delta Lake. Delta Lake is an open-source storage framework that adds ACID transactions, schema enforcement, and versioning to data lakes by layering a transactional log over Parquet files. It enables reliable streaming and batch data pipelines, supports merge, update, delete, and makes features like time travel and rollback possible. Delta Lake powers lakehouse architectures by combining the flexibility of data lakes with the consistency of databases. It's widely used in Databricks and is natively integrated into Microsoft Fabric's OneLake.
Apache Iceberg. Additionally, in Microsoft OneLake, you can work with both Delta Lake and Apache Iceberg tables thanks to metadata virtualization. This feature lets Iceberg tables appear as Delta Lake tables and vice versa, enabling seamless access across Fabric workloads. Writing or shortcutting to an Iceberg folder auto-generates Delta Lake metadata, while Delta Lake tables now include virtual Iceberg metadata for compatibility. Think of OneLake as the OneDrive for data in Microsoft Fabric, a unified data lake storing all data types using Delta Lake on Parquet. Each tenant gets one OneLake with a hierarchical namespace for organized, secure, and scalable data management.
It structures data by domains, subdomains, and workspaces, collaborative spaces for lakehouses, warehouses, Power BI assets, and pipelines. Each directly mapped to OneLake storage to ensure governance and avoid duplication. All Fabric compute engines, Power BI, Spark, SQL Analytics, Real-Time Analytics, and Data Factory access data directly in OneLake, enabling efficient, real-time analytics and data processing. Overall, OneLake provides a centralized, governed, and high-performance foundation for data collaboration and analytics across Microsoft Fabric.